Are you looking for easy way to receive cash app funds from anywhere in the world, United States, Canada, USA? Make sure you watch this video, because this video is for you. You don't need anybody to pick up money for you again, so you will not get scammed. That's why I put together this video. Make sure you like this video. Please like this video, subscribe, and drop comment if you found this video useful. All right, so I'm going to go to my phone right now and show you what you need to know and how you can receive cash out funds. All right, so let me show you. So if you're going to, I'm going to tell you the name of this app at the end of this video, right? I'm going to tell you the name of this app at the end of this video. So once you get to the app, just click on the place you are seeing USD, which is United States dollar. You can see Naira, you can see USD. Is because this account is created in Nigeria. That's why you are seeing Nigeria logo, and the other part you are seeing United States logo. So now I will just click on there, the United States, then I'll click on add cash. That is, because you want to receive fund from the person, you just click on add cash. Fantastic. So you can see the list of how you can receive cash here. So but for this tutorial, we are going to receive funds from this cash app method. So what I'm going to do now, we'll just click on cash app. So you can see below they say top up USTD viewer cash app using Lightning Network. So I'm going to click on it. In this place now, you are going to put the amount you are expecting to receive from your clients or your business, your business partner, right? So enter the amount to receive once paid from cash app. So you have to make it like an invoice. All right, so what I'm going to do here, let me type $500 for example. So I'll just click on continue. So I'll click on continue. You just generated a cash app payment now, right? So you just generate one. So this is it. Is either you send them this QR code. Once you send them this QR code, they will scan it on their cash app, and boom, they are going to send the money. And if you can't send them that, you see below Lightning invoice, so you copy this link for them to be able to send it. All right, but for me, I think I prefer sending. So if your client is on WhatsApp or any other, just click on share. Either you copy or you decide to select the person from WhatsApp or any app you're using, Telegram, you see, so you can decide to send the money, the invoice to the person. And once the person make the payments, say this payment is going to land here, you are going to see the payment at the top of where this transaction is, this USD account sign that you're seeing. So the account is going to come up with 500. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and drop comments if this video is useful for you. You can see I'm making use of this a lot, so you can see my transaction. Here are the history of my transaction, right? So here are the history of my transaction. Please make sure you like this video. Thanks.